If you are planning to learn or start building deep learning and computer vision models using TensorFlow, Keras, and OpenCV, then this guide will show you how to install the latest versions of them properly. We will be setting up our tools on Windows 10 in this video. But most of the steps mentioned here can be used on other OSs as well. As prerequisites, you will need to have Anaconda Python, a C++ compiler, and CMake installed. You can download Anaconda from anaconda.com. CMake can be downloaded from cmake.org. On Windows, you need to use Microsoft Visual Studio as the C++ compiler. On Linux, you can use GCC. Once you have all the prerequisites installed, we will start by creating the Anaconda environment with the base libraries we require. Open a command prompt and run the following command. Conda create --name DL 2020, Python equals 3.7, Anaconda. We name the environment as DL 2020 here. But you can name it to anything you like. We will be using Python 3.7 here. The last parameter, Anaconda, instructs to install the Anaconda meta package into the environment that gets created. Anaconda is a meta package, containing some of the commonly used utility packages needed for deep learning frameworks. The installation may take some time to complete. The time taken to install these packages may depend on your system and the speed of the internet connection. Select Yes for any prompts during the installation. Once the environment creation is complete, you can activate it by running conda activate DL 2020. We then install TensorFlow. If you have a NVIDIA GPU in your system, you can install the GPU version of TensorFlow. To install the GPU version, run conda install TensorFlow GPU equals 2.1.0. If you don't have a NVIDIA GPU, you can install the TensorFlow CPU version by running conda install TensorFlow equals 2.1.0. Next, we will install OpenCV. You can install it by running conda install OpenCV. As the last package, we will install Dlib. Before installing Dlib, First, make sure that your CMake installation is working by running make -- version. Once CMake is verified, you can install Dlib by running pip install Dlib. With these packages installed, now you have all the basic tools to start building deep learning and computer vision systems. To learn more about installing and setting up tools for deep learning, check out the book Deep Learning on Windows at LeanPub. Link is in the description.